Our goal is your success. We're ready to support you at every stage of your learning journey, helping you overcome challenges and reach new heights.
All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is where you are. I appreciate you stopping by to uh, watch my video. As you know, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I am on a 90-day quest, a 90-day blitz to build and scale my online business. And as I'm going, I'm taking people with me and teaching them also how to generate a daily income working from home. Now, if that sounds like you and you need some extra money, or you're looking at retirement, and you say, "Hey, my retirement is not keeping up with it's not going to keep up with my current standard of living," or maybe you've got a 9 to 5 job, and you said, "Man, I wish I had some extra money so I don't have to work so hard." Well, we've got an organization of go-getters who have started building their own started building their own online business, and I happen to be just one of them. And if you see my videos, you know that we're starting a 90-day quest to build and scale our business. But before I get into that topic that we're going to be talking about today, I want to get my psalms out there to glorify my Father in heaven. Um, this psalm is Psalm 18:24. You've heard it before. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Always a great way to start my day off with a positive mental attitude. Okay, so again, my name is Larry D. Johnson. I can go by Larry D. It's short. So, so what I do is I started an online business, and I started the training and building skills on how to market that business. And not only me, but thousands of other people in our community are doing the same thing. There's no guesswork. We have a millionaire mentor who is teaching us as we go and learn how to build and scale this business. So as we learn, we are earning income as well. So this 90-day period, I'm earning income as we continue to build and scale a business. So that's what we're doing. Today's topic is going to be passive income. I've spoken about some of the benefits that this business has, and passive income is one of the main ones. You know, what do you think passive income is? What is your definition of passive income? I call it bonus money because it is income that requires little or no effort to earn and scale. So that's bonus money. Requires little or no effort to earn and maintain. So that's what Michelle is going to be talking about today. She's got a better definition, and she's going to show you exactly how we gain passive income in the business that we're building here online. So stay tuned for the video. If After the video, I won't be back, but I want you to comment below if you think you might be interested in learning how to earn passive income for yourself. It's it's bonus money, man. It's the greatest income ever. So listen, this is Larry D. Thanks for stopping in. Hey, by the way, this is Mother's Day, so shout out to all the moms out there. This is my day 11 of my 90-day lit. So shout out to all the mothers out there, and God bless you. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, I'm out of here.
What is passive income? Passive income is what gives you the potential to create financial stability and freedom, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other passions or enjoy in doing the things that you love. You guys, this is what has literally given you your freedom back, because you can learn how to get something started one time and how it can create you an income that comes in month after month. So let's talk about 3 of the most affordable passive income streams and the most trending income streams that you can have in today's digital world. And that is digital products. You can earn money from courses, programs, software that require just a little upfront effort to create, but can be sold multiple times without any additional work. You can get digital products that literally have been done for you products. So you don't even have to take the time to create a product. You guys, let me tell you something about the digital world. The e-learning industry, which that would be the category digital products fall in. The e-learning industry is one of the fastest growing industries out there. This is what you guys are going to learn, how to create a passive income in one of the fastest growing industries out there. So in 2019, the e-learning industry, digital products, did $950 million a year. In 2023, it did $1 billion a day. So what happened? COVID. When COVID hit, people got sent home. And when they got sent home, they got bored and they watched enough reruns of all the shows they could watch. They played enough Monopoly or Uno or Spoon, so they started getting online and typing things. How to learn to crochet from home. How to learn to play piano from home. And they started learning. That's the digital product world. They started learning in the convenience of their own home and at their own time and for a very affordable price. Instead of having to leave their home and find somebody to learn from, they could do it online. Well, then when the world opened back up, unfortunately, many businesses couldn't get their jobs back. Many people couldn't get a job back, right? Because the businesses couldn't reopen. So people started going online, going, how to make money from home, how to make passive income from home, how to find a side hustle from home. And that exploded this industry. And that is why now it does over $1 billion a day. Matter of fact, you guys, it's such a momentum. People are loving the fact that they can learn new skills from the comfort of their home, that it's projected to be $1 trillion year industry by 2027. So I'm telling you right now, there's so much money to be made, so much passive income to be made in digital products. And that is what you're learning being inside of our Legacy Builder program. Now, affiliate marketing. This is another great way. You can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or companies. And this is what's a really great way for you to earn additional income streams, because on your journey to passive daily paying income and leaving that legacy for your family, I'm going to show you how to create multiple passive income streams, okay? And not add more time. My goal is to show you how to make money in today's digital world and get more time back. Because with the passive income, it comes in even when you are not even working. Okay, so that's the power. Digital products and affiliate marketing, you're actually going to learn both of them. And then monetizing your social media accounts. Yes, my friend, you are a consumer on social media. How about becoming a creator and making income off of them? A passive income. Because the more you post on social media, the more money you can make. It's a passive income stream. One of the easiest passive income streams to create. Now, here's a great part. I'm going to show you how to take digital products that you didn't even create, right? Because you get the resale rights on these products. And I'm going to show you how to start building your email list. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to start building your following on social media, right? And start building a passive income stream through digital products, affiliate marketing, and monetizing your social media without adding more hours. Yes, I'm going to show you how to do all of this, build passive income streams by only working 2 hours a day. Yes, you can get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day because it's passive. Because you don't have to be the one showing it to people, sharing it with people for them to buy from you. It's all going to be done through the digital world. So welcome to passive income. You're absolutely going to love it.